In today's video, we're exploring the 3 best shift work calendar apps for Android. Whether you're a nurse, firefighter, or anyone with a rotating schedule, keeping track of your shifts can be challenging. Let's get started. Flexr Shift Work Calendar. Flexr Shift Work Calendar is an intuitive app designed specifically for shift workers. It offers an easy-to-use interface that allows users to input and manage their work schedules effectively. The app supports various shift formats and helps users visualize their shifts with color-coded calendars. Additionally, Flexr provides reminders for upcoming shifts, making it easy to stay organized. Users can also track their hours worked over time and create notes related to specific shifts. This app is perfect for those looking to manage their work-life balance efficiently. Supershift Shift Work Calendar. Supershift Shift Work Calendar is a powerful tool tailored for shift workers seeking a versatile and flexible scheduling solution. The app allows users to create customizable shift patterns, accommodating various work schedules. It features a user-friendly interface that lets users quickly view their shifts in a calendar format. Supershift also includes push notifications for upcoming shifts, time-off requests, and the ability to share schedules with colleagues. Its planning tools help users track work hours and days off, making it an excellent choice for anyone with complex shift work demands. Shift Work Schedule Calendar. Shift Work Schedule Calendar is a straightforward app focused on helping users manage their work schedules with ease. It provides an easy way to input shift details and view them in a simple calendar layout. The app supports multiple shifts and offers color coding options for increased clarity. Users can set up reminders for their shifts and time off, ensuring they never miss a workday. Additionally, the app allows users to track their hours worked and generates monthly reports, making it useful for those who need to monitor their work patterns closely. This app is ideal for anyone looking for a no-fuss scheduling solution. That wraps up our review of the top shift work calendar apps for Android. Thanks for watching and stay organized.